Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dragon Quest Smash Grow game crashing or not launching, not opening, not working, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other kind of issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart or whatever the option you get. You simply have to restart your phone once your phone restarts. Now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, then you should move to Wi-Fi, or if you are using Wi-Fi, then restart your router once and after that try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, and now click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next solution is to clear the cache of the game. So for that, click on storage option, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next is to check for the game update. So make sure your game is updated. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and after that check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and then launch the game and check. Next method is to install a VPN. So if you are unable to install the game or unable to launch the game, then you can try to install a VPN and then check. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of it, and after that change the location and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. Next solution is to update your phone OS. So for that, you have to go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you have to check if there is any update available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next solution is to check storage space. So make sure there is enough storage available to install the game. For that, go to settings, and after that, here you have to click on RAM and storage, and here you have to check if there is any shortage of space or so. So the steps may differ from phone to phone. You simply have to check if there is less space on your phone, then delete some unused apps or content or data, and after that launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Once you have done this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, that is Dragon Quest Smash or Grow, and after that click on the install icon and then check if the game is launching or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.